Good morning, beautiful souls. Let's talk about mornings. Mornings are a fresh start, a new beginning, a chance to set the tone for the rest of your day. They are like a blank canvas, waiting for you to paint your masterpiece. How you start your day sets the tone for everything that follows. A mindful morning routine can transform your entire day, filling it with positivity and energy. Imagine the sun rising, casting a golden glow over everything, and you standing there ready to embrace whatever comes your way. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to embrace the day. No more groggy mornings or dragging yourself out of bed. Instead, you wake up with a smile, stretch your arms, and feel the energy coursing through your body. This is the magic of a mindful morning. That's the power of a mindful morning routine. It's not just about waking up early. It's about waking up with intention. It's about taking a few moments for yourself to center your mind and body, to prepare for the day ahead. And one of the best ways to do this is through yoga. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of yoga. Yoga is more than just a physical exercise. It's a practice that connects your mind, body, and spirit. It's about finding balance, both on and off the mat. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert to start. A gentle yoga practice can be the perfect way to awaken your body and mind. It's like a gentle nudge, waking up your muscles, your joints, your entire being. You start with simple stretches, feeling the tension melt away, and gradually move into more dynamic poses. It's like a warm hug from the inside out. Each pose, each breath brings you closer to a state of inner peace and relaxation. You feel the warmth spreading through your body, the stress and worries of yesterday fading away. It's a beautiful way to start your day. No need to be intimidated. Yoga is for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or have been practicing for years, there's always something new to learn, something new to experience. Yoga is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. We'll explore some simple yet powerful poses that will leave you feeling amazing. Poses like the warrior, which builds strength and confidence, or the tree pose, which enhances balance and focus. These poses are not just exercises, they are tools to help you navigate through life with grace and ease. Are you ready to start your journey to a more energized you? Let's begin. Take a deep breath, roll out your mat, and let's embark on this beautiful journey together. Remember, every morning is a new opportunity to create the life you want. So let's make the most of it, one mindful morning at a time. Let's begin with a sequence called Surya Namaskar, or Sun Salutations. It's a beautiful way to greet the day and warm up your entire body. We flow through a series of poses, coordinating our breath with each movement. This flowing sequence gently stretches and strengthens your muscles. Surya Namaskar is like a dance between your body and breath. It increases circulation, boosts energy, and brings flexibility to your spine. Remember, listen to your body and move at your own pace. Each breath, each movement is a celebration of you. Now, let's move on to the cat-cow pose, or Marjaryasana to Bitilasana. This gentle flow is like a soothing massage for your spine. Starting on your hands and knees, inhale as you arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Exhale, dropping your belly and lifting your head like a cow. Feel the stretch in your back and the release of any tension. Cat-cow awakens your spine, improves digestion, and calms the mind. It's a wonderful way to find fluidity and grace in your body. Time to flow into downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose is a staple in yoga for a reason. With your hands and feet grounded, lift your hips towards the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders. Downward dog strengthens your entire body, calms the nervous system, and brings fresh blood flow to the brain. It's a pose of rejuvenation and surrender, allowing you to find your center and let go of stress. Section 5. Warrior 2, Strength and Stamina. This section is dedicated to helping you harness the power within you through the Warrior 2 pose, also known as Virabhadrasana 2. This pose is a fundamental part of many yoga practices and is renowned for its ability to build both physical and mental strength. Ready to feel the power within? This pose is not just about physical strength, but also about cultivating a sense of inner resilience and determination. As As you prepare to enter this pose, take a moment to center yourself and focus on your breath. Feel the energy coursing through your body, ready to be channeled into this powerful stance. Let's strike a Warrior 2 pose, or Virabhadrasana 2. Begin by standing tall and grounding yourself firmly into the earth. Imagine roots growing from your feet, anchoring you to the ground. This connection to the earth is essential for maintaining balance and stability throughout the pose. This pose is all about strength, stability, and finding your inner warrior. As you move into the pose, feel the muscles in your legs engage and support you. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes are all working together to keep you steady and strong. This physical engagement is a reminder of the power and potential that resides within you. Step your feet wide apart, turning your front foot forward and your back foot slightly out. The distance between your feet should be comfortable yet challenging, allowing you to fully engage your leg muscles. This wide stance is the foundation of the Warrior 2 pose, providing the stability needed to hold the position with confidence. Bend your front knee, keeping it aligned with your ankle. This alignment is crucial for protecting your knee joint and ensuring that the pose is both safe and effective. As you bend your knee, feel the strength in your thigh and the stability in your stance. This is where the true power of the Warrior 2 pose begins to manifest. Extend your arms parallel to the floor, gazing over your front hand. Your arms should be strong and active, reaching out in opposite directions as if you are trying to touch the walls on either side of you. This extension not only engages your upper body, but also opens your chest and encourages a sense of expansiveness and openness. Feel the strength in your legs, the openness in your chest, and the focus in your mind. This pose is a full-body experience, requiring both physical and mental engagement. As you hold the pose, focus on your breath and allow your mind to settle into a state of calm determination. This is your moment to embody the strength and resilience of a warrior. Warrior 2 builds stamina, improves balance, and reminds us of our inner power. By practicing this pose regularly, you can develop greater physical endurance and mental fortitude. Each time you enter the Warrior 2 pose, you are not only strengthening your body, but also cultivating a deeper sense of inner strength and resilience. Embrace the power of the Warrior 2 pose and let it inspire you to face life's challenges with confidence and grace. Let's find our balance and stability with tree pose, or Vrksasana. This pose is not just about physical balance, but also about finding a sense of grounding and stability in our lives. As we practice, we connect with the earth beneath us and the sky above, creating a bridge between the two. This pose is a beautiful reminder to stand tall and find our roots. Just like a tree, we need strong roots to grow and flourish. Imagine yourself as a tree, with your feet as the roots digging deep into the earth, providing you with the stability and strength you need to stand tall. Begin by standing on one leg, finding your balance. This might take a few moments, and that's perfectly okay. Feel the weight of your body shifting and adjusting as you find your center. It's a gentle dance of balance and focus. Bring the sole of your other foot to your inner thigh or calf, avoiding your knee. This is important to protect your knee joint. Find a position that feels stable and comfortable for you. Remember, it's not about how high you can place your foot, but about finding a position where you feel balanced and secure. Bring your hands to your heart center, or extend them overhead like branches reaching for the sky. Feel the energy flowing from your heart through your arms and fingertips, connecting you to the universe. This is your moment to grow and expand, just like a tree reaching for the sunlight. Feel the grounding energy of the earth beneath you and the strength in your standing leg. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the ground, anchoring you firmly. This connection to the earth provides a sense of stability and calm, allowing you to stand tall and strong. Tree pose improves balance, enhances focus, and cultivates a sense of inner peace. As you hold the pose, take a moment to breathe deeply and feel the calmness wash over you. This is your time to connect with yourself and the world around you. Embrace the stillness and let it bring you a sense of tranquility and harmony. Time to release any lingering tension with a standing forward bend, or Uttanasana. This pose is like a gentle hug for your entire body. Standing tall, slowly bend forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. Let your head hang heavy and your hands rest on the floor or your shins. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings, lower back and neck. With each exhale, let go of any stress or worry. Forward fold calms the mind, relieves tension, and promotes a sense of relaxation. Congratulations on completing this beautiful morning yoga practice. Wasn't that amazing? You've stretched, strengthened, and breathed your way to a more energized and balanced you. Remember, yoga is a gift you give yourself. It's a journey of self-discovery, strength, and compassion. Take the time to honor your body, quiet your mind, and connect with your inner peace. Starting your day with yoga can transform your life. It's a practice that extends beyond the mat, bringing more mindfulness and joy into everything you do. So, unroll your mat, find a quiet space, and allow yourself to flow. Embrace the journey. Be kind to yourself and remember every breath is a fresh start. Namaste, beautiful souls.